Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing two top-notch robot vacuum and mop combos, the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to cleaning performance, both of these products excel. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop boasts incredible suction power, making it perfect for picking up dry debris and mopping hard floors simultaneously. Plus, with its Matrix Clean technology, it delivers 30% better carpet cleaning compared to other models. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo offers a 3-in-1 functionality of vacuuming, mopping, and sweeping. Equipped with a powerful suction motor and a roller brush, it efficiently removes dust, pet hair, and even paper scraps. Additionally, it features a 250 milliliters dust box and a 200 milliliters water tank for both wet and dry cleaning options. Now let's talk about the advanced features that set these products apart. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop comes with a range of impressive features. Its clean-edge detect technology ensures thorough cleaning along edges and corners, providing 50% better edge cleaning. The true HEPA filtration system captures 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it ideal for homes with allergy sufferers. Moreover, it has a self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris, eliminating the need for additional disposal bags. On the other hand, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo offers precise control over the water output with its electronically controlled water tank. You can easily adjust the water outlet modes using the app or remote control. Additionally, it has a 250 milliliters dust box, allowing for more garbage storage, and a roller brush that effectively tackles various surfaces. With its 3-in-1 functionality, you can effortlessly vacuum, mop, and sweep your floors, freeing up your time for other tasks. Navigation and mapping are crucial for efficient cleaning. The Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop features 360-degree lidar vision, which quickly and accurately maps your home. This enables the robot to methodically clean, detecting and avoiding obstacles day or night. It adapts to everyday changes in your home, ensuring a thorough cleaning experience. Similarly, the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo utilizes advanced navigation technology to intelligently maneuver around your home. With its precise mapping capabilities, it efficiently cleans every corner and avoids obstacles. You can trust both of these products to navigate your home seamlessly. Overall, the online reviews suggest that both products are highly effective and offer valuable features. Here's a quick summary of what reviewers have said. And that concludes our comparison of the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop and the Robot Vacuum and Mop combo. Both of these products offer exceptional cleaning performance, advanced features, and intelligent navigation. It ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Remember to check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals on these products. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Buy Smart.